Welcome to the coolest addition to your kitchen. In this video, we'll explore the amazing features of our ice machine, perfect for refreshing drinks and everyday enjoyment. When the product is powered on, a flashing on and off symbol that it's in standby mode. Press the on and off button to turn the machine on. If the water shortage indicator stays on after turning the machine on, it means the machine is low on water. Please press the on and off button to turn it off and check the water supply. If the arrow in the indicator is flashing after you turn on the machine, it means the machine is filling with water. This is normal, so no need to worry. In standby mode, press the timer button. When the number and H start flashing, you've entered the scheduled start program. Use plus or minus button to set your start time 1 to 24 hours. Once selected, the time will flash for 5 seconds, saving your setting and exiting. When the timer expires, the machine will turn on automatically. While making ice, press the timer button to see the number and H flash. Use the plus button or the minus button to set the shutdown time, approximately 24 hours. The machine will turn off automatically when the timer expires. If you want to turn off the timer function, just press the timer button twice. H shows the timer hours, and M is for the end time for the cleaning mode. F represents the ambient temperature. You can switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius by pressing and holding the plus button for 5 seconds. A rotating symbol indicates that it's in the ice making process, and if it flashes means lack of water. While the symbol keeps light, the ice bin is full, and the machine stops making ice. You need to remove the ice promptly, or transfer the empty basket from the bottom to the top. After the ice is removed, the machine will automatically resume the ice making process. After using the machine, don't forget to clean it. Just hold the timer button for 5 seconds to kick off the self-cleaning watch for the symbol to shine. Once the cleaning mode is done, it will return to standby mode. Press on and off during operation, and the machine will stop ice making and enter standby mode. If the E1 or E2 error code appears, please reach out to our customer service team directly. We hope you found this video helpful. Looking for more inspiration or have any questions? Visit euhomy.com and connect with us anytime.